How to remove locked account on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can remove locked account on Facebook. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe by locking you mean that your Facebook account has been temporarily locked. It means that Facebook is not letting you access its server because it has been locked. Now in most of the cases, I would just recommend you to leave it at that locked itself, because after waiting a couple of hours, then you should be able to log in back again, because it is only a temporary lock. But if you're not being able to access the Facebook application as well as your account, then there is a way you can unlock your account. For that, first of all, you have to open up your browser, and then once you open up your browser, you simply want to go to facebook.com, then just type in /help. So just go ahead and type in / then type in help, which is the official help center of the facebook.com website. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. You don't have to log in to go to the help center from the website though. So once you're on the help center, in the search box you want to search for something related as locked account. So just go ahead and type in locked account. You'll be able to see a bunch of various reasons over here. Over here you can see this option called my personal account is disabled or locked, or you can also see my Facebook account is locked and I'm not getting phone or email codes when I'm trying to confirm my account. So most of the times you can just confirm the account, but in this case you can select my personal account is disabled, and here you'll find this blue button that says fix problems with logging in. Just tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, it says go to the find your account page at facebook.com/login/identify. So what we have to do is just go to this URL. It will take us to a page where we can simply search for our profile, right? So go ahead and then simply search for your profile by simply entering your email address or your phone number, whatever else the convenience may be. In this case, let's say I just select an email address. Once I select email address, I'll just tap on the search button. Facebook will search whether an existing account with that specific email exists or not, and after that you should send your code to your email and verify the code, and you should be able to unlock your account. This is simply how you can remove locked Facebook accounts. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.